Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to make your Instagram account to privately. So before going to the tutorial, first of all, why we do this process. So for example, if your Instagram profile is in public mode, so there is possible to steal your personal data like that photos and videos. And boys, there is no problem. But if you are a girl, this is very dangerous one. So to avoid this kind of problems, people are searching how to make Instagram profile to private. And this method also prevent unwanted messages and comments receiving from unknown persons. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, I try to open my Instagram application via my new Android mobile. And this is my homepage section. And also my news feed is ready to use. So before going to the settings, first of all, complete your Instagram account login or sign up processes. So once the login process is completed, now in this section you can press that person icon and it is located at the bottom. And this is my Instagram public profile, but I try to change it. So in this profile section, you can press that horizontal lines icon and this icon is placed on almost top of right side and then press settings. And these are my some account related settings. So you can scroll down and then locate private account. So finally I get my private account settings. So just click to enable it. But it's also notification. So people remember one thing. So before going to enable any settings, just read that setting informations. So here it shows. So when your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos and stories on Instagram. And your existing followers won't be affected. So once you read this notification, so just click to OK. So finally this setting is successfully enabled and my account is now set to privately. So this is the way you can easily set your Instagram profile to privately. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.